The purpose of this video tutorial is to show you how to access feedback that I give you on things that you submit. So when you're on our Haiku page, you can click on Connect and go to Dropbox, and then you'll see all the assignments that you've handed in. And if you see here one new like this, and it says status handed in 1 and replies 1. Stretch it out a little so it looks better. Yeah, you handed it 1 and there's 1 reply from me. So you can click on that assignment and then you'll see that the student submitted this file here and then I responded. You can just click it and then it says, "Hi Kofi, your program looks pretty good. There may be an error. Blah, 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 blah." So when that happens, you can then resubmit a new program. So you could click Hand In, and then attach file, choose file, and let's say you updated it. So here's V2 of the program. Submit that. You could add a note. Thanks for the input. See attached for the revised version. That works better. Something like that. So then you can say hand in. It's going to upload that file. Okay. Now you can see it changed the status here. It says 2 things were handed in and there's only 1 reply, and there's nothing new here. Okay, so let's say you go back to the Haiku page later on, and again you can do Connect Dropbox, and you can see that you had handed this in twice and there's 2 replies, 1 new. So we can click on this and you can see here was the original submission, here was my original comment, then the new submission, thanks, here's the new version, and then finally you can click on my last comment. This version looks good, nice job. So through Dropbox you'll be able to submit assignments, I'll comment on them, you can resubmit and comment, and I think this is the best way to have the line of communication rather than sending a bunch of emails in first class, because it's automatically organized in Haiku. So that's how we're going to do it. So make sure to take a look at Dropbox at the things you've already submitted and check to see if I've made any comments, because for some of you I just said that's fine, and for others I said, you know, I noticed something about your program and I'd like you to make a small change to it and resubmit it. So make sure you do that. Let me know if you have any questions.